What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I wanted to make this video before things changed because you know that the crypto market is ever changing. It never stops. It's 24/7. It doesn't matter what holiday it is. It doesn't matter what's going on. It just never stops. So I wanted to talk about the fact that XRP is finally making some moves. However, some people may look at it and go, well, it is still around the same prices that we were at. It's not really much of a change if we look over a long period of time, but it definitely is a change if we look over the last day. So finally, we're seeing some type of movement, and that comes on the anniversary of XRP being labeled as not a security, and a lot of people are remembering that here today. So finally, XRP has some life. Let's go ahead and talk about where things are. Guys, if you could, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you could check out some of the links down below for Twitter, for Patreon, feel free to do so. And also, if you want to check out my link for Margex and sign up for Margex, you can trade XRP up to a 50x leverage, which is honestly just amazing to be able to trade that at a 50x leverage. If we go into my trades, one of my trades that is at a 50x leverage is actually up 1,300% here. My XRP trade that I already taken. I've already taken my initial investment. I only invested $21 into it. Took about $47 or so. So my initial investment plus profit, and now I'm sitting on another $156 worth of profit. I wouldn't say that it's that simple, but if you understand reading charts, it can be that simple. There's a bunch of different positions that I'm taking profit. Actually, I talked about the fact that I'm now doing a copy trading as well, and my copy trading portfolio finally hit the top page, finally hit the fact that it is a public account, and I'm up 21% on this. I am taking it a little bit more conservative than what I do in my own investments because that's my own money that's there. I only have one follower right now, so technically majority of it is my own money, but I'm seeing gains and I want to see that consistently and be able to, kind of supersede the anything that is negative. So if you guys want to be a part of that, feel free to check out Margex and go and follow my account if you want to, and we'll take it from there. So like if we look in here and see the ROI, just to give you kind of a little bit of a breakdown, we're looking at $34 worth of profit in the last 24 hours, 21% return on investment or equity. And then you have 40.4% ROI overall from the last week, from where we were down 19% because things did drop quite a bit, to where we're up 11%, and now we're pushing up to 21%. So overall, from that point to this point, 40% worth of a gain. If I do go over to my positions and I click in here and go to copy trading, you're going to see that, like I said, I took a little bit of profit from this position over here. I took 90% of that profit, which was XRP, and now I'm sitting on $12 that's in there, with still another $12 worth of a gain there. I'm looking for that to push up a lot more. I'm leaving it there since I already took my profit, and that's my plan as I move forward. All of these are positive as of right now, and we're going to continue to progress from there. So feel free to join Margex and be a part of it, because my overall trading portfolio just looks really, really good. Some that are up to 100%, and some, if these would load, are up, about 1,000, 2,000%. So anyways, let's go ahead and talk about where XRP is, because it's finally making a move and I'm finally at break even. That's what makes me very happy. I'm finally at a break even point, $43 worth of a gain. If you didn't know, I was down $9,000 at one point. I think it was the lowest, or I guess the highest loss was like $11,000. And every cent that this gains, I gain $1,000. So obviously this started to rise up. It hit my my cost basis, and now I'm at a break even point. So I'm very, very happy about that. XRP is currently up. Sorry, it's not. It's going through this, but I want to go through just XRP overall. I didn't know it would take me there. I thought it would take me to the position, but I guess it took me to my positions and what I bought. But if you look at XRP right now, it's up 10%. We're seeing it, or 9.54% if you want to be specific. My balance is at $51,684.88. It's currently at a $28.7 billion market cap with $1.8 billion worth of volume, which is great. And then also seeing 19% increase in that volume. We're getting closer and closer to 56% of the supply that's out there. I know people have a problem with that dilution, but it's just great to be able to see this level of growth. And from where it was, it's going to look like it's up even more if it stays at these percentages or this price of like 52 cents. Seeing it down at 46 and up to 52, obviously things look phenomenal. It's 18% up in the last 7 days. So it's been making some moves and it has some life. Now I know when people look at this and they go back a year and they're like, well, it's a year, and yes, we were at 70, we were at $70 or 70 cents, but now we're at a level of 50 cents, and there have been tons of times where we're at 47 and 50, and we break above 72, and we come back down to 50, up to 72, down to 50. I understand where you're coming from, but it's great to be able to see this level of life, and hopefully that gets compounded with a good decision in the SEC versus Ripple, as well as seeing the anniversary. This is a historic day to where one cryptocurrency gets labeled as not a security, meaning that it has legal clarity, and we know of one cryptocurrency, and if everything was modeled the same way as XRP, it will not be labeled as a security from the SEC. So that's something that we learned at that moment, and we learned throughout this last year. And yes, we didn't see a massive skyrocket. We did see it go to 95 cents at that point. But I would have loved to see it go a lot further. But the SEC decided that they were like, you know what, we can appeal. We can always appeal if XRP is a security or not. But it's the only one that currently and in the last year, 365 days, has had legal clarity that it's not a security. So I'm happy that I'm at break even. I'm happy that things are moving a little bit. I'm happy that I'm also, deciding to maybe take a little bit of profit as time goes on with some of my positions. Because again, I'm up 1,300% in my XRP plays over on Margex, and this one was a $25. I might as well take about 30% of what I have there, maybe even 50% of what I have there. However, the better bet, instead of taking the 50x leverage, would be to take the 15x leverage, which would also be 141. So why don't I take that and leave that there? Because if this reaches, and say this reaches a level of $1, that's 7,000%, which will get me up to definitely a decent amount. I don't know what price it will get me up to. I would have to do the math. But then if I go over here and this gets me to a level of $1, I'm up about 2,000%, which I don't think is going to be, like, if you look at up 400% here, I don't think it'll be a bigger jump than the 50x leverage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of this profit here for this XRP play, just so that I have my initial investment plus the other initial investment plus some gains here. So I'm going to take that at $140 while I invested $34 into it, and I'm going to go ahead and accept that. So confirm, and there we go. Oh, it's going to make me log in. I'll do it after this. For some reason it logged me out. I guess I've had too many gains, and I just need to log back in to take that investment. So I'm going to do that as soon as I get off of here. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you want to join Margex, trade up to 50x leverage, trade to a 5x leverage, or even join copy trading, feel free to be a part of that. But I'm going to get out of here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.